So my little program is made to speed up record keeping that looks something like this. You've got names, you've got bookings, in other words, how many sessions the client paid for in advance, and dates, when those sessions happened. So let's go ahead and run this. If it's the first time you open it, it'll ask you to choose your record file. I'm going to go ahead and select the sample one I made. It loads all the information in, and it displays it like this. You have your names. You can flip over with the arrow keys to the dates for each name. And right here it has the booking, or how many booked sessions are left. So instead of having to copy and paste dates or just type them from scratch, all you have to do if you want to mark a date as done is move to that date and click right here, class done. And it has the number 2 here because this student is scheduled for 2 classes on that day. And watch what it does to the booking number. Boom, goes from 9 to 7 because that student is scheduled to have 2 classes. You can change that if you need to. And it also changed the date from gray to green. And you can also edit students like this. So Isaac Asimov only has 3 classes left. So let's say he wants to renew, buy some more sessions in advance. So because I'm a really good teacher, he's going to book 50. So let's see, you can select something from the dropdown or just type in the number. So let's type 53. And he also wants to change his classes from Thursday to Saturday, like that. Go ahead and save it. And looky there, we're updated. But if we want to add a completely new student, this is how we do that. So let's add a new student. Wario will be his name. And he will have classes on Sunday. And let's see, let's say 4 on Tuesday. And he's going to book 25 classes. So we save it. And he's in the system. Let's say he had class on 212, 210, and 25 as well. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to close the record file. I'm going to update it from here and open it again. And let's see what changed. So here we have Wario. He's got 15 classes left. 4 on 212, 2 on 210, and 4 on 25. So the other cool thing about this program is you can use it from the spreadsheet end or the graphic user interface, GUI end. So your hands are not tied.